Hello, today we're going to be talking about how to make a name pillow. Name pillow is a fun project that's a part of the Fiber Center, and it teaches you lots of things. How to do stitching, how to make pom-poms, how to sew on buttons, and actually how to sew together something that can actually be stuffed. Name pillows need to be completed first before you start thinking about making the one-sock dolls or the stuffed animals or stuffies, or the collage pictures that all involve sewing and stitching. Today we're going to start our name pillow. This is the first of 3 videos. This one kind of is the setup for it, and then there's going to be 2 more that show you how to actually do it. So the first thing we're going to need to do is choose the color for our name pillow. And we have white. You're going to choose 2 pieces of white felt for the front and the back, or 2 pieces of pink, or 2 pieces of blue. Please make sure you choose the same 2 pieces of the same color, only because that helps us with supplies. Then the next thing you're going to need is 2 pieces of contrasting embroidery thread. I'm using teal and pink. Contrasting means very different, so you'll be able to see both colors when you are stitching. Then you're going to need a needle threader. The needle threaders are made using a small piece of free draw paper or printer paper. You're going to fold it in half and cut a little slit in it, and that's going to help you to be able to thread your needle. Then that's the last thing you're going to need is a craft needle. That's a needle with a bigger eye, and you're going to need some scissors. Okay, so starting out, the first step is to draw the name that you want on the front piece of felt. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is maybe draw a few little lines just to remind you that you need to leave 1/4 of an inch on the outside of your felt so that you can actually sew it to the back piece. I chose the name Emily, E-M-I-L-Y. It only has 5 letters. You need to choose a name that has no more than 6 letters or less than 6 letters. It can be a pet's name, it can be a nickname, it can be your name, it can be your last name, but please no more than 6 letters. It just won't fit well. The other important thing to remember is to write nice and big. I get that when your letters are big, it's a little bit more to stitch or sew, but also it's much easier if they're big. If they're too small, it gets to be too hard. When you're using your pencil on the felt to make it easier to draw, hold it with your finger like this and kind of go back and forth so that you can really see the letters that you're drawing. And then also remember to make the marks on the front so that you will be able to stitch on those marks. Okay, so video number 2 is going to start us with actually stitching our names. Thank you.